Hello, I'm Fred Puech, founder of Kinalytics and pricing analytics expert. I can't wait to join the Professional Pricing Society for their 34th annual fall conference this upcoming October in Atlanta, Georgia. I'll be holding a workshop on practical pricing analytics. Many companies do not know where to start or what to do when it comes to pricing analytics. It's too overwhelming. In this workshop, I will share with you a framework that structures pricing analytics by increasing level of complexity and adapts to the needs of your pricing strategy. You will learn what the available types of pricing analytics are by level of complexity and how to determine what level is right for you. You will also learn how to implement each type of pricing analytics with real-life examples and data. Finally, I will show you how to execute pricing analytics projects effectively and repeatedly. For more information, check out pricingsociety.com. I'm really looking forward to seeing you there in October.